Okay, I came in here to show you what this looks like, so I'm going to be trying to test it out in the morning. There is no oil on it. The teeth, this is what the teeth look like. It is one of these type of ones, like, right? So you don't cut yourself. And yeah, I'm going to try to test this out in the morning. You push this right here, or if you need to, you know, pretty nice. It seems comfortable, and I can easily do two-hand, which is nice. It is plastic with, I'm probably gonna put some mineral oil in here. Those are aggressive type teeth, so yeah. So yeah, you can also do this, right? But why would you do that? So yeah, pretty nice little. I'm gonna use this honestly. I'm gonna use it if I test it out. I intend on using it. Ooh, you can strike a fail rod with that if need be. You can just. And it seems. And all it is that when you're not press it. Now, this for me, this is a two-handed, as you see. So I can, and all that. So, yeah, I will be putting some, not baby oil, but mineral oil on this tonight because I want to keep it nice and and this. So yes, it's like this. By the way, here's a safety tip. Let's just say. Right, this is open, right? If this thing is okay, here is some solve safety. Learn from uh, Billy Bombproof or the dude who is the Atlas thing. His saw fell. He stupidly don't ever do that. Say this is like open and it's falling. Let it fall. Let it fall. Okay? Also, I'm actually glad I got this because I needed a camp saw anyway. So yeah. Uh so yeah. Right? Like that. And then you get and this is safety right here. You know? If you have big hands, but here's safety for a small thing like this. This. Have a good control over it. I think there's a big limb. Oh God, that's right. That's right. That's right. Mm-hmm. This is dangerous, actually. Like, but yeah, I will be testing this out. Because I need a cam saw and as you see, it fits in my pocket. So yeah. Um, so I want to see how good this does. All right. So anyway, peace.